Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add subtitles automatically in CapCut. No need to type them out yourself. Open CapCut and import your video. Select your clip, then go down to the toolbar and tap on text. From there, choose Auto Captions. Pick the language of your video and tap Start. CapCut will process your video and automatically generate subtitles. You can edit the text, change the font, adjust the size, and even style the captions to match your video. And that's it. Subtitles done in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips.